Hi guys, great day. Welcome to my channel again and welcome to Pherl TV. And for today's video guys, nagluto ako ng ampalaya, okay? Ampalaya with egg. As you can see, meron siyang pepper, garlic, onion, tomato. So very healthy guys. Very easy cooking guys. All you need to do is to saute the garlic, onion, tomato, and then put the egg and cook the egg well, and then afterwards you can put the ampalaya. The ampalaya, you have to cut it that size and then soak first into the water with salt and then rinse afterwards, and then whenever needed in cooking you can put it in the pot or in the, okay, and then add a bit of salt, then cooking, and add a pepper or any seasoning of your choice, okay? So it's already done guys, ready for eating for the dinner. This is my menu for the dinner tonight. Thank you so much guys, very masarap. Do not overcook the vegetable, okay? This is the food that can help us combat diabetes. Very healthy, okay? And also rich in iron as well and vitamin C. Okay, thank you so much guys for watching. Bye. Bye.